Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolve Login Failed Error Code Alpha. This will be an easy fix on how to do, so follow me step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First thing that we need to do is run the program as administrator. So for example, right over here, here is my program. Go ahead and right click on it. As you can see here, right click on it and then run as administrator. Do that for your Halo and try the game if it fixes. If it does not, let's move to the next one. So the next one is by going on Xbox. Go ahead and open up your Xbox as so, and on your profile, just go ahead and basically sign out. Click on sign out right over here. And what I'd recommend is restarting your PC before you sign back in. So restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, go ahead and sign back in. There you go. Once you sign back in, make sure to launch the game and see if the problem fixed. If it does not, we have another solution. So the next solution is by repairing the Xbox services. Sometimes repairing the Xbox services inside the Xbox app. So basically, to do that, go to your profile once more. Select support right over here. And click on gaming services repair 2. Just go ahead and click on it and start repairing. As you can see, it has a very good diagnostics and repairing currently. So just go ahead and wait for it. As you can see, system diagnosis completed, game part completed, Xbox identity provider, and so on. Once done, go ahead and exit. I'll continue repair. Just go ahead and once done, go ahead and close it out. And what I'd recommend is going on your tray, right click on your Xbox, quit, and then relaunch your Xbox and see if the problem persists. And lastly, the last tab should be on your CMD. So to do that, click on your start menu over here, type in CMD, run as administrator. Once it opens, type in ipconfig space flush DNS, press enter. Next one is netsh winsock reset. Press enter. Last one is netsh intip reset. There you go. Once done, go ahead and exit out and restart your PC, and it should be fixed. Now, if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.